give flesh to good governance in Pampanga first and foremost. Ingburin na sabihan siguro ni ding grupo dari Aberel, kailangan unahan may pa yung Pampanga. But you know, ating maragula piket, deng Balas Boys, King Arab Capitolio, they are now on their 4th week. Pero last week at Chuya Baguio, another day at Chuya King Davao, Governor Panlilio.
The dead man na rin ay.
No, mag-preach siya, mag-lecture yung good governance. If you cannot govern properly in your hometown or in your province, makananong ngening sabihan mo King Davao. Ini pa. Offer a peaceful resolution to the impasse with the Balas Boys. Balas Boys, being the cornerstone of the Panlilio administration achievement, it is but fitting to accord the Balas workers the basic courtesy. O niya pa, due process nga na. Basic courtesy of due process in confronting allegations of anomalies. We urge Governor Panlilio to honor his promise of unconditional reinstatement of the Balas Boys who went on strike to dramatize their protest against unjust treatment. Nino mig unjust treatment karela? In governor. Nino nga mig honor ketang karelang agreement na minijate na ng civil society ang poreng haluang pari. In governor. Isa sangkanan ng governor ang dialogue kasi nga na deng sangguniang panlalawigan na no, dabibate ang karelang benefits and wages ano. O ba't basan tala rin placards na King Arab Capitolio, dala tutulig saan deng sangguniang panglalawigan, ing tutulig saan da, ing administrator ang pang gobernador.
Okay, Abe, apparently, you know, the group of Recall is using your very same argument in calling for reform. What can you say?
Actually po, kaya naman talaga rin eh. They had one main changes, reforms sa Adwanda. Pero, emi alalawin. Kasi burikeng ikawani po, detang ke kaming demands for reforms, kening recall. Because I believe this recall is more of a political move. Ne? So, naning, itang kuha tanggap po eh.
What do you mean by political move?
Who's behind this?
No.
Itang tama po yan.
Don't
Who
point an accusing finger.
No, I'm not accusing you.
Everything you do is politics.
Panibatandan eh. Panibatanda. So, nining mag-post, naning motive, dahil po rin malino tamang linawan mo rin eh. Kasi makatakot po, Ken, I'm not saying na they are not sincere in their intention of pero itang manner.
But you have to look into the arguments themselves, into the allegations, whether or not they are true.
And then, boys,
irrespective of
in a democratic society like ours, Pampanga is part of the Philippines.
And very politicized.
In our country, it is not only our right to question our leaders, it is also our responsibility.
This is a democratic country.
When you lose confidence on your leader, it is your responsibility to stand up. Advocacy data, responsible citizenship. And when people are involved, this is politics.
And this is precisely what we're doing. That's why we're asking the governor to look at these things. No, they're putting out one reforms. Impisa sabihan tao po kaya itang ini na ba kailangan bang palitan na uli na ningay? We're giving the governor a chance. Kami po makalinta miyan lalawin.
Yes.
Didinan miyang chance.
3 years siya po imbinyata mong chance kay governor. Abe. Dindamda kaksin din namo. Didinan tayang chance i-governor Panlilio. He had a lot of chances. 15 months na ngeni. We have only 36 months. Kabang didinan tayang chance, second chance, third chance si Governor Panlilio, milalako yung chance ng Pampanga munlad ang pong magprogreso. Uling ineffective leadership na. Kasi anang Aberel nandin, nanganag yung governor yan eh. Tutu, nanganag yung, amina nagyo. O tenala agkatan sumaob din sangguniang panglalawigan. O tenala agkatan sumaob din mayors. O tenala agkatan sumaob din ADCL. O bakit tatabi na la? Aminan yung nagyo yung king governance. Mag-volunteer na sumaupo tayo mo po rin pasaupan.
Kasi sasabihan din rin kaya beta mo ganyan na yung isipan lang pwede pa mo rin magpasulong kayong good governance. Yung mismo papagbayo tayo, makananuya kang tasin tunado ng tambing. Ita mo papagbayuan tayo, timay metong anak, yung anak mo, magbayo ka nga mo, maya patawo nga mo rin kayong anak. Papagbayuan mo yung maya patawo. Sabihin natin yan talagang problema. At ala ng credibility na yung maging alimbawa ng meto nga maya papaman ng kulan.
At ito po matang kareng ka.
Sinabi doon ang deng mali na eh. Sinabi na eh, sincere.
There is weak leadership.
Okay.
I would like to answer nung pwede na.
Sige, short answer mo.
Ating may salita, den kanong grupo na ngamong, igwatak-watak la, linubing kambilan, ngayon magre-group la. Actually po, irrelevant po kay kamite.
Okay.
Ing kambilan po, ing posisyon na, uling ing recall initiative yamong peka effective dealing people empowerment under the circumstances at kailangan tamong kimot within the time frame of the law, 1 year after the previous election, 1 year before the next election, may naman po pwedeng panayan na may watak-watak la rin supporter ng among.
Okay.
Ing
You're under time pressure.
Yes, not only that, impong sao pa binyena deng supporters ng among, itang pepal to de po, ing weak kind of leadership ng among. That is your contribution to this
Recall
exercise.
campaign.
Recall
Okay.
campaign. Dakal po salamat kay kayo, pepal toyo, ing kahinaan ning kay katamong Governor Panlilio.
Okay, partner. Proceed with the comments.
This one is for Mr. Sunny Dobles from Louis David of Santo Rosario. Ot alina i kayo o ADCL ing tinagal nung makanyan din na you have plan for Pampanga regarding development na amanwan nyo. Bakit tinulak ya pa ing meto nga pari na tagal ngeni magreklamo kayo king papakit ng kapasidad? Question.
Okay. Tatasani, short
O
comment.
nung makatagal kami mong metong organisasyon, hindi tagal kami. O na nga naman pwedeng metong organisasyon, tagal niya. Siyempre, may mili kami mo karatang isipan kaming pwedeng makasahap karatang kaming advocacy.
May kamali kayo, in
So,
short.
may kamali kami. Amin namin naman may kamali kami.
Okay.
Okay, from 0922-864-2104, there is no divorce under Philippine law, so there is no hope for the separation of Ed Pandillo and Vivian Dabuk. Oh my God. From 0928-500-2055, you should have left to God what's rightfully His. Just like the priest, had he not been hungry for power, that this would not be happening. In simple word, karma. Okay, from Roland Kiambao, makalungkot po ing malilyari, bulan na pamoing bulan na pamoning amanong siswan, pero bala mo eta mo kapampangan, eta mi kakaintindi. Sana po mi kawul-kawul at misan metong tamo, kaswertita, eta lakalupa ring milyari Mindanao. Sana po magposta pa lawenta mo nung Nino ing Marinat at Ali Marinat kaya katamo. Misan metong tamo po at miyabe tamo king ikasaplala balenta mo. Malapit na mo pong Pasko, mi kakalugod tamo.
Thank you, Roland.
Oh, this one is from Fernando of Dolores to Attorney Butch and Attorney IQ. Nanong ing keng pilubluban you, recall, resign, or reform. Makibat kayo.
Partner ka. Partner ka, Nano.
Manigaral ko pa.
Well, recall is a statutory process. It's a right of the people to resort to that but on the practical side, I don't think it would be healthy kasi we have a governor now who's distracted until the end of his term.
Okay.
But if this whole process it will work two ways, partner. If he loses in the recall election, then it confirms the feeling of most Kapampangan na mila ko la kumpiyansa. But if he does not, ma-validate itang kumpiyansa.
Yes, that is
He
our
still
position
remains the
also.
governor.
That is
So,
our position also. The recall initiative, the recall election will benefit everyone, no?
right.
Everyone. Bakit? Even the governor. Because this is his chance to revalidate his leadership and mandate.
That's right.
Kapag yung sinambot, everybody shut up.
Exactly.
Follow the leader.
So
Okay na mo. But what we are after is sayang ing panahon na makatagan para kayong probinsyang Kapampangan. This is a premier province in the heart of Central Luzon.
Wow.
Kailangan makasabi yung probinsya mo, makasabiya mo nung makasabela ring leaders tamo.
Recall is effectively asking him to shape up or shape out.
Yes, shape up or ship out.
Okay.
Hindi mo pong buring kutang karening kayabe kung
sige.
panel. O but ngeni pa mo po neng mag-initiate pabanwaya pa mo pinining kay katang gobernador ako pin at titay din ng chance kareta pong mga labasan naman siguro neng gang di nung Kapampangan ako tamo retang minuna tamong muna kay Pampanga etana lamo babang
Previous administration.
previous administrations. Ot no ka rin tamo po, ot tetala rinicol, ot teta sasabihan da rin at
Okay.
si
Okay.
dakal la programa, ot kanita po
Okay, short answer. Tatansan.
Ito to po, ingad siya, may buya pa mo niyang, payarin itantan dala tamino ng manungkulan. So, siguro
no
kahit
chance.
there was no chance. Ngayon po kaya nimbay, pegi batang ko nandin na. Aliwaya yung karelasyon mo, migtaksilya, kaya sa akin alako relasyon.